As you open ASAP, within the ASAP window, you see your user task space, your ASAP workspace, your quick start bar. You also have your custom toolbar buttons, your command output window. All of these can be moved and adjusted so that you can have the environment that works best for you. For instance, in the case of the ASAP workspace, maybe I want to make it smaller. Maybe I want to move it to a different location. Maybe I don't want it to be visible at all. I can do all of those. If I ever want to bring them back, of course, I can just come over here, bring it back, and I can reposition it in its original position just by bringing it over there and moving my cursor. Again, I can minimize, maximize things. I can select docking view or not to use the docking view. So does my command output window separate, or is it possibly going to be overwritten by my editor windows? I tend to like to have my docking view down the bottom as general and then open it up as necessary. I can also choose to hide my quick start bar. And again, if any time I want to reopen it, I'll just go to View and Quick Start Bar, and it will be available to me. Also on my custom toolbar, often by default it's on the side here, so I tend to move mine to what I consider a more appropriate location. I can also choose to move my command input window to the other side. I can move things up. Again, whatever works best for your workflow, you can do within the ASAP work environment.